Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I would like first to extend my gratitude and appreciation to the Indian Foundation under the oversight of the Ministry of External Affairs of India, Australia's Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, the S. Rajaratnam School of International Studies of Singapore, and the Perth, US, Asia for organizing the 7th session of the Indian Ocean Conference. Despite the wide geographical span that separates our countries, it is our shared aspiration for stability and sustainability in the Indian Ocean that unites us today. This common goal serves as a bridge, drawing us closer in pursuit of mutual peace and prosperity in this crucial region. While it's essential to recognize the swift changes and progress in our area, we must also acknowledge numerous issues and challenges, especially with regard to fostering further economic growth, developing sustainable solutions, and enhancing regional connectivity. Our region continues to face heightened security threats, obstacles to inclusive and sustainable development, and political environment marked by intensifying competition across various fronts. The UAE firmly believes that these difficulties could be overcome through consistent and open cooperation. This is why our approach to the region has always been to build steady channels for dialogue and partnership, whether that involves supporting diplomatic solutions to a number of regional conflicts, promoting a deeper role for regional organizations, including the Indian Ocean Rim Association, which we've served as chair between 2019 and 2021, or advancing various initiatives to achieve resilient supply chains and develop clean energy projects throughout Indian Ocean countries. Ladies and gentlemen, the UAE relations with the Indian Ocean are deep and multifaceted. But mindful of our time constraint, I shall today concentrate on our steadfast commitment to clean energy and open trade. These two key avenues stand at the forefront of our endeavor to foster collective prosperity, sustainability, and enhanced connectivity across the region. Promoting and supporting sustainable development has been a fundamental pillar of the UAE's vision. The UAE regards its environmental responsibilities with the utmost seriousness, as demonstrated by our recent presidency of COP28. As we all witnessed, this event played a significant role in advancing actionable policies toward a clean energy future, better protection of the environment, and further alleviation of climate change. The UAE consensus on climate was historical, thanks in part because of the collaboration of all of you. Besides being one of the pioneer nations to set a comprehensive strategy to achieve net zero by 2050, the UAE has for decades now been a major regional and global supporter of green infrastructure and clean energy projects. Our overall investments in renewable energy ventures are worth over $16 or 17 billion across 70 countries, with a focus on developing nations and countries where climate change poses an existential threat. In addition, the UAE has also provided more than $400 million in aid and soft loans for clean energy projects. In line with our commitment to advance multilateral cooperation for climate action, the UAE and Indonesia co-launched the Mangrove Alliance for Climate in 2022. These are just few examples of how we channeled our ambition for climate progress into prospering practical solutions to this global issue that affect us all. By leveraging our natural and technological strengths as an energy hub, the UAE will continue to meet global energy demands while investing in cleaner forms of energy, particularly within the Indian Ocean region. Ladies and gentlemen, while constructive partnerships in the field of climate change are critical to our shared prosperity, achieving this fully is not possible without ensuring proper connectivity and resilient supply chains across our countries. Undoubtedly, promoting free and open trade, both in the Indo-Pacific and globally, is essential to fulfill these objectives. Despite the emerging risks of protectionism and the rise of trade barriers in some areas, the UAE remains determined to actively pursue partnerships and policies that facilitate international exchanges. The recent signing of comprehensive economic partnership agreements with various Indo-Pacific countries, alongside our aim to increase the number of those partnerships within the region, underscores our dedication to nurturing prosperity and building stronger ties across the Indian Ocean. And you know about our partnership with our comprehensive partnership with India. Within a year, it's already producing significant increases in trade. Vietnam is almost ready, and we look forward to others joining us in this journey. Australia, we started the discussions, and they are moving in a very strong way. The UAE and its Indian Ocean region counterparts have long endured robust relationships spanning trade, tourism, investments, and culture. Ultimately, we remain convinced that our mutual prosperity is tied to the resilience of these connections. Our forefathers sailed the Indian Ocean for centuries before the advent of modern technology, and have brought shared values of respect to our region by delivering good value, whether it's in trade or whether it's in just human contact. And we continue to be committed to those same principles and values which our region has shared for centuries. And I look forward to our children continuing to prosper in this region by all of us investing in making this region sustainably developed and environmentally protected. Thank you very much.